some fine lines there at Bikinis, gang. Let's move on downstream. Find our next big rapid. It's down there. Alright friends, our next rapid of the day is known as Double Z. This thing has class 5 potential. If you fall out, stay in the boat. Now the potential for a class 5 swim includes a big ledge and rock up top. It might stick your boat. You might have to wiggle around, get it off. Move downstream, we've got some more rocks that can knock you out. We've got some undercut rocks like the one I am standing on here, or that big nasty undercut right over there. I didn't think it was impossible, but I actually saw a boat go under that thing yesterday. Insane. People were crying, children screaming. It was mayhem. You don't want them to do that. Don't do that. Now we've got our trip leader driving in here.
Give the sea so the swine will marry and propagate lies. Tough luck for elected officials. The beast you see got 50 eyes. Bring it on home, spread the wealth, play it cool, the hand's been dealt. Now all the odds are in our favor. Save the victory speeches for later. Streets on fire. The mob goes wild, wild, wild. Streets on fire. The mob goes wild. 21 guns, box made of pine. Letter from the government, sealed and signed. Delivered Federal Express on your mother's doorsteps. 21 guns, box made of pine. Letter from the government, sealed and signed. Delivered Federal Express on your mother's doorsteps. Condoleezza Rice is nice, but I prefer Aroni. And that man on the TV who speaks to the dead, you know that man's a phony. Everybody move to Canada, smoke lots of pot. Everybody move to Canada right now. Here's how we do it. Bum rush the border guard before he and his dog ever knew it. Streets on fire. The mob goes wild, wild, wild. Streets on fire. The mob goes wild. 21 guns, box made of pine. Letter from the government, sealed and signed. Delivered Federal Express on your mother's doorsteps. 21 guns, box made of pine. Letter from the government, sealed and signed. Delivered Federal Express on your mother's doorsteps. Well, alright.
And steady as she goes after Double Z. Let's move downstream to our next big rapid. See you there. Alright, our next rapid is Miller's Folly. One of the longest rapids we will see all day. We've got our first boat dropping in. We're going to try and avoid some undercut rocks over here.